Your Chevy K1500 transmission works great with the engine cold, but shortly after the engine warms up, the transmission loses all forward gears and reverse. Chances are your K1500 is equipped with the GM4L60E automatic transmission. We recently released a video that you're going to want to check out as it covers more details about the symptoms, and we also cover some solutions. You can find this video on our main channel over at Southpaw Autoworks. Links to both the channel and this specific video can be found in the video description of this video. My name is Robert, and I will see you over at Southpaw Autoworks.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.